So this is a question from EMT, and this is based on displacement current, where they have given that the magnitude of displacement current is equal to the magnitude of current flowing in the circuit. So in that medium, so they have given the relative permittivity to be 5 and the frequency is equal to 1 megahertz, and they have asked the conductivity. So I've written mod of JD that is given is equal to this. So let me take a profile of voltage, suppose, because the JD will be given by epsilon naught. So this 5 is also there. So 5 epsilon naught del E by del T. Okay. And this will be, J will be equal to sigma E. So if I take the profile of oscillating electric field is equal to some E naught sine omega t, let us take this. So this will become 5 epsilon naught del E by del T will become E naught into uh, omega will come out, and cos omega t will be equal to sigma into E naught sine of omega t. And they are saying that it's amplitude. So amplitude means the maximum value we have to take. So 5 epsilon naught and omega will be equal to sigma. So what will be this value? If we calculate this value, this will become sigma is equal to 5 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 2 into pi and into 2 pi f frequency is 10 to the power 6. Okay. So this is the value 5 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 2 into pi into 10 to the power 6. And when you calculate this, this will come out to be 2.7789 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay. So which was your option 1? So this is the correct option. Okay. Thank you.